Today we're going to be unboxing this book. So I have this book, but there's another one of these that just came out and just got published that my mom bought me, and it's called The Adventures of Lily Huckleberry. This one is called The Adventures of Lily Huckleberry in Scandinavia. The other one is called The Adventures of Lily Huckleberry in Japan. So we're gonna unbox this. So I'm gonna open this. Can't wait. What's this? Okay, I can save it later. I'm just gonna rip it. Yay! This looks way longer than the other one. It is called, if you want to get this book, the book is called The Adventures of Lily Huckleberry in Japan. And the other one is called The Adventures of Lily Huckleberry in Scandinavia. So these two books you can buy if you want to get them and you love to read or you love adventures. These would be good books for you. And there's, oh, you were born for adventure. Oh, I could use this for a bookmark. Cool. There's, I think these are stickers. I think, let's see. Oh, these are just posters, I think. I think this is a poster. I don't know for sure. It says Japan, and there's like all kinds of stuff like that you would have in Japan, like origami and sushi and lots of other things. And like the cat that waves his hand like, ooh. So let's get started. In a village where the flowers grow as big as trees lives a girl named Lily Huckleberry. As a member of the Worldwide Adventure Society, Lily has a magic globe that takes her on whimsical adventures around the world. In this first book of the series, Lily goes to Scandinavia for a midsummer party, where she finds herself cursed flat in the middle of a strawberry mystery. As Lily travels around Scandinavia to save Midsummer, she meets a something of friends. I can't read one of the words, so I'm just gonna skip it. So, of friends, explores Nordic culture and discovers the thrill of being brave enough to take big risks. Join Lily on her adventures around the world. Now we're going to read the summary of Japan. In a village where the flowers grow as big as trees, this is so far the same as this one, lives a girl named Lily Huckleberry. As a member of the Worldwide Adventure Society, Lily has a magic globe that takes her on whimsical journeys around the world. So far, pretty much the same. So that's funny. In this adventure, Lily is invited to Japan for Golden Week when her cherry blossoms are in full swing. When her friends ask her for help, Lily embarks on a quest to find the pieces of a broken dragon statue and undo a mysterious curse that has fallen over Japan. As she travels and explores Japanese culture, Lily meets a menagerie of new friends who help her solve this mystery. She discovers the power of determination and learns that sometimes you have to get lost to find your way. Join Lily on her adventures around the world. So in this book, I read, like, as Lily travels around Scandinavia to save Midsummer, she meets I said something because I didn't know the word, of friends. And that word was menagerie because my dad helped me know the word. So now I know that said Menagerie of Friends Explores Nordic. I like the cover of the Japan because like there's all kinds of like cats and sushi. I don't know what that is, but it looks deadly. Sushi again. And I love flowers. And like I love Lily because like I'm an adventurer and I like to figure out new things, and I also love to read, so like this is both of my favorite things mixed together. And like I also like this cover because like there's lots of flowers and strawberries. There's a bunny and there's strawberry cake and a horse, which I also love. I hope you ordered this book. It's a really nice one. Even though I haven't read it, I'm still gonna say it's nice. But I bet it's gonna be really amazing and fun to read, and I bet I'll read it over and over and over and over, and so on and so on. So if you can't remember the things we got a patch with a little kitty. And it says, Lily's Adventures in Japan. So I'm really excited to maybe sew that onto one of my like white shirts or something. Or just stick it on my wall, even though it's not for your wall. Still it will work. We also got this bookmark. Here's that, and here's that. If you can't see, there's like a little kitty, if you can see it. And there's lots of kitty things on everything, because there's a kitty here, there's a kitty there, there's a kitty, you can see it again, right there. And there's also a kitty here. So there's a lot of kitties and sushi. So we also got this poster. I'm pretty sure it's a poster. I will probably never know, but who cares? And thanks for watching the video. Hope you can watch my next video. Bye!